If you've never made your own po' boy sandwich, this is your sign to make one. I start off with some peeled and deveined shrimp, and I soak those for 10 minutes in this buttermilk. In a separate bowl, you want to combine flour, cornmeal, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Pause for ingredients for the po' boy sauce. Heat up about 1 inch of oil. While my oil is heating, I'm going to take that shrimp and take it out of the buttermilk and then dip it into our flour mixture. PSA, do not overcrowd the skillet. Cook the shrimp in batches. After about 3 minutes, the shrimp should look like that, and you should turn them over to cook for another 3 minutes, and they should look like this. Take them out and sit them to the side. To put my sandwich together, I took an untoasted bread. You can use toasted. I took our homemade sauce, some lettuce, some sliced tomatoes, and a couple pickles on top. This is a baguette roll, and for this size roll, I did use 8 shrimp. If you haven't already, go ahead and give me a big fat like, give me a big fat comment, and give me a big fat share. Thank you guys so much, and you might want to pause this video and go ahead and save it and then come right back in. This is me just putting some sauce on top, and I paired it with some chips, and voila.